Namaste and welcome once again to all of you. Well, today I have something very different from what I normally do in my videos to share with all of you. I'm sure all of you must be wondering what it could be. Well, I won't keep you in suspense. I just want to talk about something very important and essential for all of us as human beings to be aware of. Well, I'm talking about health, right? All of us need to take care of our health for various reasons. I mean, if we are not healthy, I don't think we can progress in any given way in our lives. I just wanted to share a very short incident that took place in my life. It was my first ever job as a school principal, and I was so busy getting things in order and getting things to shape up in the right way that I most often skipped lunch. And I had this teacher called Roma, who was the PET teacher in that school. Young, energetic girl, and what she realized is that I had been, skipping meals. I would just sip some coffee and keep busy with my work. And finally, she just said that, ma'am, listen, you will have to stop this, otherwise you're going to ruin your health. And she made it a point from that day onwards to be at my office and stand there and see to it that I completed my lunch in the lunch break and did not just settle for coffee. So I think it was, she was responsible for making me realize how important it is that we take care of our own health. As teachers, we definitely need to pay a lot of attention to our health, and that is what I'm going to discuss in today's video. Hi friends, I'm Roma Joshi, an academic advisor, teacher trainer, mentor and coach. And today I want to give you a few very, very useful and handy tips about how to take care of your health. Now this is going to involve 5 to 6 different aspects which you need to pay attention to in your life, because as a teacher, you know and I know that there is a lot of work that we need to put in order to see that our students shine. So it's we who burn the midnight oil to make them become successful. So I would just invite all of you to watch the video, pay attention to what it is conveying to you, and if you have any questions, any doubts, or if you wish to connect with me, please feel free to do so, because all the details for you to reach out to me are already given in the description section. So go ahead and take an absolute careful look at this video that is to follow now. I will see you at the end of the video. Happy watching. Enjoyed and found the video quite informative. I've tried my best to keep it very brief and just given you a few points that you could think of incorporating in your day-to-day life. So well friends, in my trainings for teachers, what I normally do is I do share these kind of tips for health, for good, I would say, balancing your emotions, taking care of yourself, and not getting distracted, not getting too worked up, not getting stressed out. There are so many aspects which one needs to deal with while training teachers. So if you feel that you do want some more guidance and some more tips, and you also are looking for these kind of workshops for your school, do get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to serve all of you. All the details, like I said, are given in the description box. So, well, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, like the video if you really liked it, and do subscribe to the channel, because this channel is not only mine, it is a channel for all of you wonderful teachers, wonderful souls out there. And like I said, mission is to build a strong community of teachers. So do join me and let us take our profession to its greatest heights. With this, I will take leave and I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you and namaste.